When a fire alarm goes off, is it a real emergency or just a false alarm? Either way, immediate response is critical. Introducing the UAS Fast Two-Wheeler Emergency Response Service, your rapid solution for fire safety and technical support. False alarms, uncontrolled alerts, and delayed responses can disrupt businesses and put lives at risk. What if expert fire system support could reach you in minutes? With our two-wheeler emergency response team, we provide rapid on-site technical support to access, manage, and reset your fire alarm system before it becomes a bigger issue. Our fire system specialists respond immediately, ensuring quick verification of alarms, identifying if it's real emergency or false alarm. Technical fire system support. Reset and troubleshoot faulty alarms and detectors. Immediate on-site action. Control alarms to prevent panic and unnecessary evacuations. Coordination with the civil defense. In case of actual fire, ensuring rapid escalation.